guys, good morning. They're here with an epic video this morning, catching some fish, some jaguar, slipless, yeah, some pond size, and a great Davian adventures they're here. In the front I walk, not just me alone there behind. So see where I can catch an epic video in the morning, Sunday morning. Come on. Kirk, you outdoor living, big up. For Wildlife TV, yeah man, big up yourself. Out there without fear, Also, see how the Sunday morning I record. So just two hours upon the journey, Yeah man. Done my bird bush done, so I have got to be fishing here now. Yeah man. You can see sun is hot out here. So I just go and be the sun. Yeah man. You can see rain fall. Whole place I get green up back, Yeah man. Davian down there so in the road. You can see sun is hot. Nice Jamaican fishing today, Yeah man. It's water there. I go down a deeper part. Here guys, maybe you're gonna subscribe, please. See me, not take on nothing for subscribe, not take on no card or nothing. Just click the subscribe bell. Yeah man. I'll reach 1,000 subscribers by December. Just make a dream work, peeps. So yeah peeps, I can see Davian adventures set out in line already. So yeah, I get pick your Davian. I go set up my own now. See if me and Davian can full of cooler here today, It's very small, See if we can fold it in the morning. So yeah guys, I set up my rod now, don't know. Me have a wally phone. So I think when I go see when the fish come out of the water. Yeah. Right out there. Sun is hot, breeze is blowing. Alright peeps, see me. Big pond size. I'm going to box off for me. Yes, in the wild, lot of crab hole. So yes peeps, on fish and buck up on crabs. So we'll tell you, so we just have a cookout on the seaside. Alright, quality fish with deers. On that side one. That is it.